Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you forgot your watch, you did a workout on a non-Garmin device, or just want to log basically a walk you didn't record yet. So, in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to add an activity in Garmin Connect. I'm talking about how to manually add an activity. So, let's get started, fast and easy as usual. So first and first, you should go all the way, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go through the Garmin Connect app, just tap on the app like this, then log in, using your email address and password. So after this is the home menu you will be getting. All you're gonna do now is tap on this plus button here. They're gonna tell you allow connect to access your nearby devices. This permission is necessary to pair and sync your device with Garmin Connect. Then make sure to allow the access. You will be able to see add manual activity or basically something like this. Go select the activity type, run, walk, swim, bike, even stretch or yoga. Then fill in the details. Enter your stats basically. I'm talking about distance, time or pace. Calories optional but quite recommended. You can even add the heart rate if you want to. Title and description, of course. As for a small pro tip, if you do not enter calories, Garmin estimates based on your weight and activity duration. But the estimate is rough, so if accuracy matters, use a known calorie source. And that's it, just save it. Tap on the check mark or save in the top corner. The activity appears in your timeline like any recorded workout. That's it. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.